Building a sturdy and reliable roof is a crucial part of any construction project. Today, we're diving into the world of roof framing, exploring the essential elements and techniques that go into creating a strong and durable roof structure. Roof framing is the process of constructing the support structure for your roof. It involves creating a framework made of various components like rafters, joists, and ridge boards that will carry the weight of the roof and distribute it evenly to the walls of your building. Let's break down the essential parts of a roof frame. First, we have the rafters. These structural elements run diagonally from the ridge or hip down to the exterior wall plate. They form the primary framework of the roof, supporting the roof decking, underlayment, and roof coverings. Rafters also help to distribute the weight of the roof evenly to the walls of the building, providing stability and strength. Next, there's the ridge board. This is a horizontal member located at the peak of the roof. It connects the upper ends of the rafters, forming the top of the roof triangle. The ridge board provides a central line for the rafters to attach to, ensuring that the roof structure is symmetrical and balanced. It plays a crucial role in maintaining the overall shape and integrity of the roof. Another important component is the collar tie. This is a horizontal element that connects two opposite rafters, usually in the upper third of the roof space. Collar ties provide additional structural support by preventing the rafters from spreading apart under the weight of the roof or external forces like wind and snow. They also help in framing a ceiling, adding to the stability and the rigidity of the roof's structure. Ceiling joists are horizontal members that span across the ceiling, connecting the tops of the walls. They play a critical role in transferring the loads from the roof down to the vertical supports, such as walls or columns. Ceiling joists help to prevent the walls from spreading apart and provide a stable platform for attaching the ceiling finish. They also offer additional support for any insulation or utilities that might be installed in the ceiling space. Lastly, we have the tail, which is the portion of the rafter that extends beyond the exterior wall to create the eave. The eave is the edge of the roof that overhangs the walls of the building, providing protection from rain and sun. The tail supports the eave and allows for proper water runoff, preventing water from seeping into the walls. It also enhances the architectural aesthetic of the building by adding depth and character to the roofline. There are two primary methods for framing a roof: stick framing and truss framing. Stick framing, or conventional framing, uses individual rafters and components built on site. This method offers flexibility and customization, ideal for features like cathedral ceilings or attic spaces. It's beneficial for complex designs but can be labor-intensive and time-consuming. On the other hand, truss framing uses prefabricated triangle units or trusses made off-site and installed on-site. Trusses provide enhanced strength, speed, and cost-effectiveness, making them ideal for gable and hip roofs while offering less design flexibility. Truss framing ensures consistent quality and faster construction. The ideal framing method depends on your project needs. Stick framing provides flexibility, while truss framing excels in durability and speed. Consider factors like attic space, future renovations, and your budget when making your choice. Traditionally, the roof structure is made out of timber. It is not only a traditional material but still the most commonly used. However, steel is an increasingly popular material for roof framing. This method is often used in commercial buildings, industrial structures, and modern residential construction due to its durability, strength, and resistance to pests and fire. Additionally, steel is generally cheaper than wood construction. Steel is recyclable and thus greener than wood. It can be more easily assembled than wood. Steel is lighter than wood structures of the same size, and unlike wood, it is not affected by the termites or other insects. Steel can be expected to last much longer than wood in most applications. Steel roof framing involves using steel beams and trusses to create a robust and durable support structure for roofs. The process begins with design and planning, where engineers specify the size and type of steel members required. These components are then fabricated, often off-site, to precise specifications and treated with protective coatings to prevent rust and corrosion. On-site, the construction area is prepared, including installing anchor points and scaffolding for safety. The steel components are transported to the site, lifted into place, and assembled to form the roof structure. This method offers significant advantages, including strength, durability, and resistance to pests and fire, making it preferred choice for many construction projects. The typical roof structure of steel consists of I-beams rafters placed approximately 10 feet. This varies depending on purlin size and other variables. Apart with either 4 inches, 6 inches, 8 inches, or 10 inches lightweight steel purlins installed horizontally across the rafters. Hat channels can also be used as purlin where a lower profile is required or where the cover system requires closer purlin spacing, thus making standard Z or C purlins overly expensive. Let's explore different roof framing examples. Let us start with the simple one, the flat roof framing plan. These are commonly used for garages, homes, and additions. This plan features horizontal beams with a layer of purlins installed vertically. Flat roofs are typically the cheapest framing type to build, which is a big part of the reason they are usually chosen for large commercial buildings, such as retail outlets and warehouses. Second, we have shed roofing framing plan, which is simple and efficient. This single slope roof is suitable for small homes, sheds, and garages. Third, we have hip roof framing plan. This style features a gentle slope on all sides, offering durability and a consistent look. Lastly, we have the very common in residential properties, gable roof framing plan. This classic design, with two sloping sides, is budget-friendly and provides excellent weather resistance. In roof framing, different materials are used to create a strong and durable roof. Wood is popular for its strength and availability, with types like Douglas fir, southern yellow pine, and cedar commonly used. Metal such as steel or aluminum is chosen for its durability in harsh weather. Engineered wood products like laminated veneer lumber, glued laminated timber, and I-joists offer enhanced strength. Roof trusses made of wood or metal are prefabricated and efficient. Connectors and fasteners, like nails and screws, ensure structural integrity. Insulation materials like fiberglass and foam regulate temperature. Using these materials correctly and following regulations enhances the roof's strength and longevity. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of roof framing. With careful planning and the right tools, you can build a strong and beautiful roof that stands the test of time.